Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about how you can start dropshipping on eBay using Aliexpress. I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years. I have been using Aliexpress for 3 years too. So I used some suppliers like Lowe's, Amazon, but the profit margin is very low. I don't make that much money compared to Aliexpress. With Aliexpress, you literally make 50% profit. You can sell an item for 100 and you can buy it on Aliexpress for 50. I remember this exhaust. I was listing it on eBay for $79. Okay, $79, and I was literally making $50 for this is literally my first item I have listed on eBay. It's called Akrapovich. It's a fake Akrapovich, by the way. It's not really original. So I'm going to be showing guys everything, like I said, you need to know about how you can start eBay dropshipping, what mistakes that you are going to make in the process. I'm going to show you how you can solve any mistake that you are going to make, and I'm going to show you guys Aliexpress sellers, if they are good or not, everything you need to know. Just make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now first, this is how I find a winning product on Aliexpress. I go to Aliexpress and I search for a random product. It could be any product that you see here. For example, let's say I wanna see if this product is a winning product or not. First, I copy the link. First, let me change the language to as you can see, to United States now, so that I can just because the language is in French. So yeah, as you can see here guys, this is the item. Now I am going to copy the title, this title, and I'm going to search for it on eBay. Now the reason why I'm searching for it on eBay, I want to see if there are eBay sellers who are selling the same item. That's the most important thing, guys. If you are trying to start dropshipping from Aliexpress to eBay, you have to find sellers that are selling the same product and make sure the seller is selling at least 3 items in the last month. Again, 3 items in the last month. Otherwise, you are not going to get a lot of sales because you have to list items that are proven to work. So like I said, guys, search for an item. The reason why we are looking for an item is we want to find our competitors on eBay. I'm sorry. We go to Aliexpress, we find a random product, and then we use it to search for our competitors so that we can see what they are selling in the store. Because that's what we want to do. We want to find sellers who are selling the same thing, and we have to copy them. That's what I do, guys. Yes, copying them, and you still get a lot of sales. For example, this product is the same as this one. It's selling for $3, and this one, this person is selling it for $11. Click on the item. Okay, this guy is selling it from Australia, so it's not China. Make sure. If you see here, in the item location, if you see here Australia or any other country other than China, just leave. Just don't waste your time. We can check where this guy lives by clicking on about. This guy lives in Italy, and we can click on shop and see all the items, what location. Everything is Australia, so we can't really compete with this person because he is not dropshipping from China. We want dropshippers who are dropshipping from China so that we can copy them. Now I'm going to let me just reload this page so that we can find other products. Okay, now I'm going to find a random product. For example, this one. Let's say that I want to find sellers who are selling this product. As you can see, this one. Now this is literally the only hard part about dropshipping, is finding a winning product. Everything else is very easy. I'm going to check this one. As you can see, let's see if it's the same. Yes, it's the same. As you can see, yeah, it's the same product. It's selling for let me change here. It's selling for around $26. As you can see, it's $26 or $21, and this guy is selling it for $56. And this guy didn't sell anything. He didn't sell any product. Let's see if this guy is dropshipper or not. As you can see, that the location of the item is China. Let's see where this eBay seller lives. Click on the username and then click on about. As you can see, and this guy lives in another country, which is Israel. So this guy is 100% a dropshipper. We have to copy him, but he is not successful. If you can see here, he has 0 feedback. Probably he sold some items. Let's see if this guy sold any item here. I'm going to click on sold items, and let's see if this guy has sold. He has never sold anything. So what we want to do, guys, we want to find the same as this person, but we want to find successful sellers who are successful. Like I said, guys, that's the only hard part about dropshipping on any platform, not only on AliExpress or eBay. Like this is the only hard part about dropshipping. You have to find a winning product. That's the most important thing. For example, this one, it's the same item, so I'm going to find another product that will help us find our competitors who are doing dropshipping. For example, I'm going to search. I'm going to change the category. For example, home, and home, because most dropshippers on eBay they list home items. So I'm going to go with this product. For example, this one. Let's see if there are eBay sellers who are selling this product. Like, guys, I am doing everything in front of your eyes, so I'm not really making a script or anything like that. Like most videos on YouTube, they just find an item before they make a video, and then they just tell you that how easy it is to find an item. But it's not that easy, guys. This is the only hard part about dropshipping on eBay. Let's see where this guy lives. This guy lives in Philippines, and the location of the item is China. So this is really what we need, guys. We need someone like this. And now what you need to do, guys, after you click on the username of the seller, click on see all, as you can see, and then scroll down a little bit, and then click on where it says sold items, as you can see at the very bottom left. And here it will show you all the sold items, the successful items here. Click on this one. For example, this one was sold 3 times, as you can see, 3 times, 3 sold. Now you want to go only, like I said, with 3 sold items. Like if the item is not it doesn't have more than 3 sales, don't even waste your time with that item. Now just search for this item. Like click copy the title, and then click search for Google, and then click images, and here select Aliexpress. As you can see, Aliexpress, or you can search for it manually on the Aliexpress website. This is it's the same. Let me just change this guy is out of stock. Now you just want to find a cheap one. For example, I'm going to just search for a cheaper one. For example, this one. Click on this guy. It's selling for a little bit more than the original price of this item here, but don't forget he is charging $2 on the shipping. So if you like $2 plus $2, it's like $2.50 for $4.50. So this guy is charging more in the shipping. It's like he is trying to convince people that they are just paying for the shipping $2, but the shipping is free most of the time on AliExpress. So just go to AliExpress and search for this product and list it on your eBay. Let me go with another product. For example, this one on his own store. Like I'm just searching for products from his own store. 2 sales. Yeah, you can also go with 2 sales if you can't find products with 3 sales, you can go with 2 sales, but you are not going to get a lot of sales. So for example, this one, I'm going to search for it on AliExpress. Okay, let's see if this is the same product. Yeah, it's the same. So click on it. This guy is selling it for $2, and this guy is selling it for $27. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, what you need, guys. This is easy and it doesn't take any time. What you need to do, guys, next is you want to download this extension. It's called download. You want to just search for download AliExpress photos. Okay, search for this title, and make sure you click the first extension. It's called Save Ali Images. This is the name of extension, Ali Save Plus. Download Aliexpress, add to Chrome, and then click add extension. And after that, guys, you just wanna reload this page, and after that you will see here this you will see here these options where you can download main images. Click on main images, and the images will be downloaded here. As you can see, it will start downloading. As you can see, you don't have to edit these images on eBay. You don't have to edit them to list the item on eBay. You just take the product, take the pictures from AliExpress and post them on eBay. And probably will say that the shipping time is very long, but it doesn't really matter. So eBay buyers, they don't care about the shipping time. Like 99% of the eBay sellers, they don't really care. And after that, you just want to click sale in the top right, and then you start listing. As you may know, you already know that. Just make sure you copy the eBay. After you find a winning product, you copy the seller on AliExpress, not on eBay, not AliExpress. What I mean by that, you take the photos, you take the description, for example, but the title, always copy the eBay seller, not the AliExpress seller, because this title is proven to work. It goes to sales. So that's what I mean, guys. You just copy the title of the eBay seller and start listing the item. If you don't know how to list the item, just search for how you can list the item on eBay, and you will find a lot of videos. Now, if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. So that's what I do, guys, to do like $7,000 a month with eBay dropshipping. So I hope, guys, this video is valuable to you. See you guys next video.